Hello, Plant 4000 here. Nature and man-made structures often come together to create something quite special. I'm reporting from on-site Thorpe Park to have a look at some ways nature and man-made structures can come together to make something quite special. Here's a classic example of something man-made being placed in a very natural space for a very practical reason. Much like this footpath. Well, come on, what's he waiting for? Wow. And what's that through the trees? A cafe for visitors of the natural park to sit down and have a cup of coffee or a slice of cake. And then tell me. Now, if you'll excuse me, I'm off for a slice of their delicious carrot cake. Shh.